How you guys doing? I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys how to replace the evap canister purge valve on a 2016 GMC Canyon SLT. So my check engine light went off. It turned on a couple days ago. I went to get my computer read at one of the auto parts stores that do that, and they told me that the code that he was given was P0496, and what he was showing is that the evap canister purge valve was malfunctioning. So I went ahead and bought the valve at at AutoZone. It was $48 is what I paid for it. Here it is. This is the evap purge valve, and this is the box right here. This is the item that you would need. Purge valve P0496. Like I said, it was $48. So I came here to my truck, located the piece. It's right there. You can see it. It's the same piece right here. You see it down there. It's easy to remove. First thing you want to do is remove the plug. Here it is, the cable. All it is a little tab up top. You press it and you pull out, and then you want to remove the hose attached to this top piece right here. You can see I already removed it. You can see it has like green tabs. There's one green tab on this side and one right here on the top. You gotta press them in and slide the hose out. I couldn't fit my fingers in between here where the cable goes to press it, so what I did was I grabbed a screwdriver, pressed the green button on this side, and with my other hand I pressed the other green button here, and it slid right out, no problem. Then what you want to do is you want to take this bolt off right here with a number 10 to be able to remove this, and then this should slide out of this section right here, which is where this goes into. So once you remove that should slide out, and then put everything back on. After you do all that, you might want to unplug the negative side of your battery, so you can see, reset your computer and see if the light goes away. All right, let me go do that. All right, so the removal process wasn't too hard. It's a little tight space, so you know, like I said, you got a 10 millimeter bolt on the back side that you got to remove. Once you remove that 10 millimeter bolt, everything will be loose except for this part. This is what you got to pull out. Don't be scared to tug on it hard to pull it out, because it goes in and out, you know, by pressure. There's nothing really holding it. It's just pure pressure in there and pulling it out. So don't be scared to pull it hard. Obviously don't move it up and down. You don't want to break this thing in there. You know, just pull it straight out and push it straight back in, and once you're installing the new one, and everything should be fine. I just unplugged my negative side of the battery. It's been about a minute now. Probably gonna leave it a few more minutes, you know, 2-3 minutes or something like that, for it to hopefully it'll erase the computer, the code on the computer, and we'll see if it once I turn it on, if the code comes back or if it doesn't. After about 5 minutes of having the truck with the negative side of the battery unplugged, I plugged it back in, turned the truck on, and as you can see, there's no check engine light on. I'm gonna drive it around for a few trips and see if it turns back on. Last time when this first happened, I thought it was maybe the gas cap, so I reclosed the gas cap I went and got the light reset, but after a few drives it turned back on, and that's when I decided to change the purge valve like it told me to in the first place. Changed the purge valve, did what I told you guys I was gonna do, turned it back on, lights gone. I'm gonna do a few drives and hopefully it doesn't turn back on after that. Other than that, it's a simple fix. Like I said, you got one plug to disconnect, the other one up here. Take the 10 out in the back, pull it out with a little bit of force and push it back in and reinstall everything like it was. That's it. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like my videos, leave me some comments, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos as well. Thank you.